When Netflix says downloads on too many devices on your Android phone, it's usually just a content restriction. Basically, when Netflix detects too many phones or tablets downloading content under the same account, it gives you this error. Here's how you can fix this. First, open Netflix on your phone. Go to your profile. Then tap My Netflix at the bottom. Tap the three lines in the top right corner. Now tap Account. Scroll down until you find Mobile Download Devices. Tap on it. Now you may see more than one account on the Download Devices panel. If your subscription plan only allows downloads on one device, you need to remove the extra download devices. Tap Remove Device if you find the option. Now restart Netflix from scratch. Hopefully your download problem is fixed now. If this helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick Netflix fixes. See you next time.